Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how you can make money online using Telegram and Telega.io. So for making money through Telegram, you should have a Telegram channel, okay, and an account on Telega.io. So if you don't have a Telegram channel, you can click on this pencil sign and you can make a new channel. So we already have some channels, okay, they are here. As you can see, this is our channel. This one have the highest number of subscribers in my channels, 23,838. Okay, so if you don't have a well-grown channel, then it's hard for you to make money on Telegram. So first you have to grow your channel, work on it, post valuable content which people would love, and okay, so if you have a channel and you have subscribers in your channel, half of your work is done. Okay, then you have to go to telega.io. You can see here, I will put the link in the description. You have to sign up. I already have an account, so here we go. This is my account. This is the Telegram channel's catalog. As you can see, this website shows the channel, its followers, views per post. Then this is the cost per post. If you want to post an ad for 1 day or 24 hours, one post, okay, then it will cost you $120 for this channel. Same way you can post your channel, and for posting your channel you can go here and click on the my channels and chats. Once you go to this page, you can click here on add channel. Then you can just copy the link of your channel like this. Then you come back here and paste the link. Once you paste the link, click agree and then click on verify. Once you verify, it will show you this name and logo. Now you have to select, is it a channel or a group? Then you have to add keywords like, we'll say jobs, employment, Dubai. Then you have to select the theme. You can your channel could be based on airdrops, art and design, beauty, bets, global blogs, books, business, cars, celebrities, computer science, cryptocurrencies, earnings. Then anything, could be anything. You can select your theme from here. Then you select the language, put some description. As you can see, there is some description pasted over here, and you can select the audience ratio, and you can click on save and continue. As my channel is already saved and added to this catalog, I will not click on save. You can click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, you will move on to this part, which is the cost. You will set the cost, how much you will charge people for posting something on your channel. So this is the price for 1 day or 24 hours. Suppose you can mention your $10, you are charging $10 per post, then this will automatically, you can change the rates. You can 15, 20, anything depends upon you. You can set all the rates. 2 days rate, for 2 days rate, for 3 days rate, for 7 days. Then this is native. As you can see, native, upon request from an advertiser, a channel owner writes a post published for 1 hour's top in the feed, 7 days a channel, okay. And this is for forwards. A post from a promoted channel is published for 24 hours format and placed at the top for 1 hour. The owner is entitled to remove the project after 24 hours. So you can set your own rates. You can also give discount for repeat orders, or you can turn this off. I have kept this on and I have given around, I think, 10% to my repetitive customers. Then you can again click on save and continue. Second step is done. Then it will take you to the settings. Then you can mention here the nature of your subscribers, and then you can simply click on save and continue. Once you do that, my channel is already added, so I will not do that. I will show you here my channels and chats. So these are the channels. Now, as you can see, this is the rating of my channel, and this is the rank in the catalog. Okay, this channel is 379. This channel is 361 in the catalog. Okay, then you can also place a hot order deal, hot order offer, I mean. Then you can give some discount. Suppose we give 30% discount on 14th of September. If anyone wants to post a promotional post on our channel on 14th of September, they will get a 30% of discount. So I'll place okay. Then once you click on more, I will show you the stats of my oldest channel. Once you click on more, so you can see the price list, the rating points to first place. This channel ranks second in the earnings topic, and I will show you the stats also. As you can see, I have earned totally around $1,000 from this channel through 101 orders. So it's almost $999.5 divided by 101 is almost around less than $10 per post. And you can check the reviews here also. So this is how it works. Also, you can see here, this is my earnings balance, $148 as of now. And I can withdraw this $148 using bank cards, e-wallet or crypto. I can simply paste my USDT TRC20 address and the amount I want to withdraw, and once I click on withdraw, as you can see here, there is a system commission of 2%, and which will not be less than $6. And so the minimum withdrawal amount is $30. We have already $148, so we can withdraw. The maximum amount of withdrawal request is $1,000. If you have any questions about Telegram.io or earning money through Telegram, or any other questions, you can write them in the comment section, and if it's possible to make a video, I'll make a video on that, or I'll reply to you in the comment section. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.